Hotspot Car Race 1 was held on the 26th of November 2011 with a liberation point near Ottersdal, a distance of 196 kilometers. At 5:30, 4,462 pigeons were sent. The weather along the route was fine and clear, with little to no wind and a temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. After a week of unsettled weather, the first Hotspot car race turned out to be a beautiful day. But everyone present at the lofts enjoyed while waiting for the pigeons to arrive. After just 2 hours and 25 minutes, the first large batch of around 100 arrived at the lofts, looking like they had barely built up a sweat. With only 12 seconds separating the first 20, 4 entrants narrowly missed the opportunity to scoop a $1,000 car race Hotspot prize.
What's interesting this year, the number of countries continue to grow. We have 37 countries competing this year. The race is certainly living up to its reputation as being the world's greatest pigeon race, in the fact that it's supported by fanciers from all across the world who want to test their pigeons against all comers from all hemispheres. And the interest is high. I think the credibility of the race is beyond reproach, and I think the bottom line is that people enjoy the season of pigeon racing when they're sitting in the cold northern hemisphere winter and watching their pigeons in sunny South Africa flying their flags proudly. Returning in good batches, and pleased to say that of the pigeons that went, approximately 3,500 home in the first hour. So all auguring well for the next Hotspot car race, which is in 2 weeks' time, and let's hold thumbs for the pigeons. They're doing very well to date.
The car prize was awarded to N&H Evans and Cuthbert Syndicate with their entry Burntoff Sydney, setting a time of 2 hours 23 minutes and 58.65 seconds. Here are the top 20 results for Hotspot Car Race 1.